Welcome to our full guide on changing the password for your Weiser door lock. Let's explore its features. Regularly changing your password is crucial for maintaining your home security. Let's understand why. Before we start, ensure you have the necessary tools on hand, a screwdriver and your user manual. Locate the programming button on your Weiser door lock. This is the first step to access the settings. Input your current password on the lock's keypad to gain access to the settings. Now, enter your new password, ensuring it meets the manufacturer's guidelines. Confirm the new password and don't forget to save your changes to keep your lock secure. Finally, test your new password to ensure it's working correctly. If you encounter issues, refer to our troubleshooting tips to resolve any problems quickly. In conclusion, regularly change your passwords and follow best practices to maintain your door lock security.